Starting a print-on-demand business can be exciting, but many beginners run into the same mistakes that stop them from making sales. In this video, I'll share 7 common mistakes to avoid and show you how the right tools can make your journey much easier. Let's get started! 1. Choosing too broad a niche. A big mistake is trying to sell to everyone, which usually means selling to no one. The secret is to niche down, and then niche down again. Instead of dog lovers, think golden retriever moms. Instead of book lovers, think dark academia book lovers. This makes your designs connect better and increases the chance of loyal customers. Here's your action step. Go to Etsy or Pinterest and type in your broad idea. Look at the suggestions that pop up. If you type gardening gifts, you might see gifts for indoor plant moms or funny vegetable gardener mug. That's your gold mine. 2. Using low-quality designs. Blurry, stretch, or clipart-heavy designs can instantly turn customers away. Beginners should focus on clean, professional-looking artwork with proper sizing and colors. You don't need to be a pro designer. Simple, trendy text designs or minimal graphics also work well. With Printful's Design Maker, you can create high-quality designs easily. Upload in 300 dots per inches and preview them on mockups before selling to ensure they look polished and professional. 3. Ignoring trends completely. Many sellers miss out by avoiding trends or sticking only to generic designs. As a beginner, look for seasonal events, popular sayings, or viral styles that fit into your niche. For example, pet mugs with trending quotes or fitness hoodies with motivational phrases. Your action step for this is to spend 15 minutes a week on research. Go to Etsy and see what's on the front page. Check out Pinterest trends. What colors, phrases, and styles are you seeing over and over again? Take notes and think about how you can give that trend your own unique spin. 4. Pricing too low or too high. Getting pricing wrong can hurt your business. Too low and you make no profit, too high and people won't buy. As a beginner, research competitor prices and aim for a balance where customers feel it's fair but you still earn. Printful have built-in profit calculators that do the math for you, which is a lifesaver. But you also need to do a little market research. Search for products in your niche. Your price tells a story, so make sure it's saying high quality and worth it. 5. Not testing designs before launch. Uploading dozens of untested designs is a common beginner trap. Ordering a sample is an investment in your customer's happiness. You can order discounted samples from Printful to check print quality in real life. It protects you from the negative reviews and refunds that come from a bad print job or awkward design placement. Even better, it allows you to take your own unique lifestyle photos for your listings and social media. Nothing builds trust more than showing the actual physical product. It proves you believe in your own quality. 6. Poor product descriptions and mockups. Weak titles and boring mockups can ruin great designs. As a beginner, focus on writing simple but clear product descriptions that include keywords your buyers might search for. Remember, your description needs to tell a story and answer questions before they're even asked. Start with a hook that describes the feeling, the perfect cozy sweatshirt for rainy day reading. Then, talk about the benefits. It's super soft, makes a great gift, the design won't fade. Finally, include the practical details, material, sizing chart, and care instructions. And for your photos, use the lifestyle mockups. Printful has a great library of these. Show your mug on a cozy desk or your t-shirt on a person who looks like your ideal customer. Help your buyer imagine this product in their own life. 7. Giving up too quickly. A huge mistake is expecting instant sales and quitting too early. Print on demand takes time. Your first few weeks are for testing, learning, and improving. As a beginner, stay consistent. Keep posting designs, learn from analytics, and adjust based on what works. With Printful's integrations on platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or TikTok, you get tools to track performance and market products easily, making it simpler to grow step by step. So, those are the 7 common mistakes. Avoiding them is your first big win. You're no longer just guessing. You now have a practical roadmap to build your business the right way. To help you get started, I've put a link to Printful in the description for you. It's a great platform for beginners because of their tools. You've totally got this.